Pwede ba maging master mariner pagdating ng 26 or 27 years old? Ito, computein natin. Palagay lang natin na natapos mo ang 3 years academic requirements ng 21 years old. Then sumakay ka ng barko as kadete ng 12 months. So, 22 years old. Nag-exam ka and pumasa ka at 22. Then naging third mate ka for 9 months. That's 23. Then bakasyon ka. Then third mate ulit 9 months. That's 24. Then third mate ulit 9 months. That's 25. And third mate ulit ng 9 months. That's 26. So, 9 times 4, that's 4 contracts, 36 months. So, yan ang kailangan para mag-exam ka ng Master Mariner. And then, pumasa ka at 26 years old or 27 years old, Master Mariner ka na. Ganon lang. So, pwede maging Master Mariner at 26 years old or 27 years old. Basta, kumuha lang ng exam agad pagkatapos ng apprenticeship, then magpwesto agad ng third mate ng 4 times or 36 months. Thank you.